Hey. Hey, thanks for joining me today. So what I'm going to be doing today is taking care of that beautiful rubber mulch that you see there behind me. I will be using this Endurant colorant to paint the brown rubber mulch that I have. You may recall that last year I did a video on painting rubber mulch. I only did the side of the house and I actually used a different product. Today I'm going to use the Endurant and see how that goes. Can you believe I let the front of all places fall by the wayside? But life happens, right? That's all right, because I'm going to take care of this right now. I wanted to highlight this here, stuff that's in here. Honestly, I don't know where it came from. I don't know if it came from this plant, but I'm not going to try to pick it up. I'm going to actually just paint over it. It's a hot one here in Virginia today, so before I get to this job, I'm gonna go ahead and set up my little cooling station because I know I'm gonna need it. Okay, reading the application rates and instructions here. Looks like I'm gonna be mixing 8 ounces per gallon of water. I think I'm gonna go ahead and mix up 2 gallons. Just FYI, this colorant is available in brown, black, and red. There's a checkbox here for pine straw, so I don't know if there's a separate option on their site for pine straw, but I know a lot of people use that, so just wanted to tell you that. So I'm gonna go ahead and shake this up and mix it up.
Even now, you're coming up to me, fire lighting up the sky. Feel the ground shaking underneath, trying to take me alive.
Came off of the light, but it would not come off of the brick. So be really careful when you're spraying this stuff.
Get ready for the fallout. Can't stop me now. I got no rival. I'ma fight my way through the blood and pain game.
Lesson learned: have a better plan for the stuff that you don't want to get paint on. Well, it's been a couple hours since the application, and I made a little bit of a mess. I made a little bit of a mess. So I actually contacted Endurant and asked them their recommendations for getting the paint off of concrete, and they said to use an acid. It'll break the binder. But they also reminded me of one very important step that I missed, which was I should have wet the surfaces prior to putting the mulch paint on there, and I didn't do that. So I will be getting some type of acid and cleaning it up because I can't just let those spots stay there. So I think it looks really good. I love the way it is contrasting against the grass. Success has been achieved.